front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to click on all apps and select Files 1. Now click on Clean at the bottom left corner. Wait a bit. And select Confirm and Free Up under Junk Files. Finally, just clear in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, storage of my smartphone was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!